Oh my God, I'm obsessed. You have to say it like that too with 14 S's. Over it, you have to say super quick.
Over.
I'm Thom Filicia.
And I'm Carson Kressley.
Yes, we just lied. We're actually not,
I'm
flipped
Thom
it.
Filicia.
And I'm
He's
Carson
Kressley.
And we're here to play Obsessed. Or
Over. Obsessed.
Obsessed with brass accents.
I love having natural brass. I'm not a big fan of lacquered brass. And I love mixing it with dark metals and some lighter pewter metals. Right. I
black
just think
metals.
Yeah, I think it's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put my paddle like this because I'm not over it, I'm not obsessed.
That's what I was doing. I was oscillating.
Yeah.
I think we love shiplap in
Right.
like the way it's applied. You just have to make it more
It just has to be
interesting.
It has to be more interesting. It also has to be. It has to make sense with the architecture. It has to make sense with the location.
Right.
You can't take shiplap and just put it in a Park Avenue apartment, or it's just like you're a weirdo. I'm gonna kind of say over it.
See, we think alike.
I mean, if I had to choose between macrame or a goat skin, I mean, please.
Goat skin all day.
Goat skin all day.
Millennial pink. I'm gonna say obsessed.
I think I'm obsessed with it. I think it's cute. I love that they have. I feel like millennials needed something to identify,
own.
and they own millennial pink. I think it's cool. I'm good with it. Obsessed.
Shearling furniture.
I think it's cool. Again,
It
I
sounds
feel like
hard to clean.
no, it's pretty great.
The actual furniture is shearling.
Well, it's just like furry furniture.
You love a furry throw.
I like a furry throw. I do like it. I like it, but I think you can do them in really beautiful grays. You can do them in unexpected colors. You can do them in unexpected places.
I'm wearing shearling underwear,
Yeah.
and it's very confusing to a lot of people, but so comfortable.
I'm gonna say, I don't even know if over it can even verbalize how much I don't like those.
Because when they're not on, they're laying in a sad puddle
they're
of
limp
nylon,
and lifeless.
and it looks like someone just like dropped a bunch of garbage.
Do you know
on
what
your
they
lawn.
are? Do you know what they are? And it's my least favorite word, and this is not a sexual thing. It's flaccid is a word that kind of,
Yeah,
you know, some people don't like the word moist.
They are
They're
flaccid.
flaccid. I don't like, ugh, that's just weird. Oh my God, or those blow up things that people jump around at parties.
I love a pounce house at an adult
You like
party.
a bounce house?
A pounce house.
A bounce.
Bounce house. Is that what they call it?
Yeah, bounce, bouncy.
Oh,
not
I've
a
been
pounce.
doing it all wrong.
Oh my God, you say pounce house? That sounds dirty. Okay.
Thanks for watching Shoe Talk. Thanks for watching another episode of Mother, May I Macrame? It's called 2 Days Rambling. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow we'll talk about end tables.